What's happening, everybody? I'm back. So this is the finished product. Not too bad. It's just like these things are like historical or something. So they want all this stuff repaired and still here. Doesn't make no sense because there's a rail right here, but this one's all done. We got those last two in right there and that one in right there. A little more mortar on that last one around that, but and then we're gonna move across the street over here, put some pipe down this mountain, big old pipe down this mountain, going under the street, going out that way. Well, there it is, you guys. It's done. On to the next one. See you next time.